Partial correlation analysis with Navure. To illustrate this procedure, we will use simulated data. We will create 1,000 observations of a three-dimensional variate of a Gaussian multivariate random variable. To create this simulated data, we will use the R language. Click the R tab. We have already written the R script. The first line allows everyone to reproduce the same results. The second and third set the covariance matrix and the means of the random variable. The fourth creates a new data object with the generated data. Next, let's press the blue play button on the ribbon. 3 objects appear to the right of the windows. Only one of them is of interest, the one named New Data. To pass it to a Navure table, select it and press the Object to Table button on the ribbon. Now we have a Navure table with 3 columns and 1,000 rows. Let's rename the columns to simplify the example. To rename them, select the 3 columns, click the Rows and Columns tab, and then click the Rename button. Rename the first column to Age and press OK or Enter, rename the second column to Height, and rename the third column to Weight. Now we will calculate the correlations between these variables. Go to the Correlation tab and click the Correlation button. Select all 3 variables, drag and drop them into the Response variable panel and press the green Play button. As you can see, the correlations between all the variables are high, all above 0.98. Someone might suspect that the correlation between weight and height is due to age. To calculate this correlation controlled for age, this is like taking a sample from a population of a fixed age, we use partial correlation. To obtain partial correlation, go to the Correlation tab and click the Partial Correlation button. Now select, drag, and drop height and weight into the Response Variables panel and drop the age variable into the Conditioning Variables panel. Press the green Play button. The correlation between height and weight is now 0.74. This is much lower than the 0.98 observed earlier. For more information on this topic and on interpreting partial correlations, see the Applied Linear Models textbook.